Hey, Morris. Hi. Come here, bud. Come here, bud. Come on, Morris. Good morning. Good morning. Hey, Stripey. He's just up in the woods. Hey, bud. Hi. Hi, Gray. Hi. Hi, sweet girl. You're a good girl. Hi. So are you going to live?
Yeah, I'm going to live.
She said his lungs sound fine.
Yeah.
And everybody's complaining it's taken a long time to get over it.
Yeah, she said, if it doesn't go away in the next 10 days or so, if they're still having problems, she wants to do an x-ray. But right now, she said, based on listening to my lungs, she thinks my lungs are fine and there's no need for an x-ray.
She says she likes honey in her tea too.
That's right, honey in it.
Basically, keep doing all the stuff we did was good, and keep doing it, and maybe add in a daily allergy pill for a couple of weeks.
Yeah, she thinks the focusing on antihistamine would be
good.
Cut down the stuff running down, sinus draining, and that stuff. That was really the only constructive thing she could recommend, unless if things get worse, then more drastic measures. But
we're not going to let them get worse.
We're not going to let them get worse. That's right.
Well, I blew the parking pad and refilled the cat dry chow and did all the water, including across the bridge. And Stripe's been out here keeping me company. I'm thinking about Tux here sitting on the end of the boardwalk, but enjoying my time with my Stripe. He's a good boy. He's all affectionate and happy this morning. It's like a beautiful spring day out here. It's going to be in the 70s today. It's just gorgeous. So I'll be having things start flowering that aren't supposed to be flowering. We had the monthly Sharon Harris siren test go off at 10 a.m. So yeah, it's just a nice morning with no particular place to be. I'm appreciating it. Marty's here resting in his chair, enjoying the sunshine. I guess we're not going to the gym today. Between the doctor's appointment and Don said he didn't sleep good. And he's got work to do now. I'm going to pick up some sweet gumballs in the yard and just do, a couple hundred bend overs, move around, stretches, enjoy this 70+ degree day. I got daffodils coming up over here, which it's time for them to start coming up. So, and I guess we got some military aircraft going overhead. Well, that's the second bucket, and that's all I can do. My back muscles are pretty sore. I'm low energy, even though I don't want to admit it. Marty followed me down here, even though he doesn't feel good. He wanted to be near me. It really touched my heart. Here's Stripe coming to see me now. Well, all the areas where I walk are better. Obviously, there's a lot more where that came from on the sweet gumballs. Well, Don's here in Robot with me. He's actually driving right now, I guess, because we're headed to the vet and we don't have the vet's office in the navigation. We're taking Gray for her yearly shot, so she's all ready to go back with Johnny. And I got a drop off at UPS. Somebody sent me something on eBay that was to the wrong person again. Twice that happened this past year, and then they wanted me to send it on for them. It's like, God, please don't do that to me, because anyway, it was complicated. But they sent me a prepaid mailing label, and dropping it off at UPS won't be a big deal. And I'm going to run into Harris Teeter for some steaks for dinner. And obviously I didn't hear from the pharmacy today. I'm not supposed to hear from them until tomorrow. So I sure would like to get that medicine to try for Marty. He definitely looks like he's not feeling too good today. Well, Don said earlier today that Robot parked in the cul-de-sac here instead of going down to the house. Just knew where the house was, had the house put in, did not have mailbox put in, and then just didn't go down the driveway. So I guess at this point we're relieved that she appeared she was going to go down the driveway, but I guess Don decided he's checking the mail.
Right. Well, once she went down the driveway, I'm sure she would have went down the driveway.
Well, we're having a little print quality problem. If you look, you can see the lines. So I watched the video and tightened up screws, and we ordered new belts. In the meantime, the lead screws needed cleaning, so I used that new floss, and I have to say it worked really well. I'm running the print calibration now. I've washed the plate with Dawn, and so hopefully things will be a little bit better. But I realize it's kind of hard to see, but in person you can see it really well. That it's just not smooth like it was. There's got a little ripple to it. It's leaving lines in her print. She doesn't like that. Well, I ran the self-test and the calibration, and it succeeded. Both of those are complete. So I guess at this point the only thing left to do is to print. We're going to order the belts to get them in here. They're not that expensive, $20 basically for the XY belts and the Z belt. And we'll see. The Z belt's underneath the bottom. You have to flip the printer up. I'm not looking forward to doing that one, but you know, it can be done. Anyway, fingers crossed.